What's up guys, it's Vaylock here, and today in Black Desert I'm going to show you how to craft tools. And by tools I mean like the pickaxes, the axes, the butcher knife, the tanning knife, etc. Now to get started you will need to have a place where you can call your base of operations. For example, mine is Heidel, and you will need some workers for this job, so you will need a lodging and to hire workers. I have another video on my channel that shows you how to set up a lodging and hire workers, so you can check that out if you need to. But to move on from there, you're going to need a couple of buildings. First of all, you're going to need a refinery, and a refinery is used to craft this blackstone powder. Now, I have a level 3 refinery here, so I can craft 15 blackstone powder at once. And you can see the mats are pretty easy, it's just rough stone. It's 2 stone per powder, basically. But with a level 3 I can craft 15 at once. So once you have your refinery set up and you're starting to make blackstone powder, you will also need a mineral workbench. Now a mineral workbench, I also have here as level 1, will allow you to make steel. Now the materials for steel are melted iron shards, 5 of those per steel bar, and 5 coal. So 5 melted iron shard and 5 coal per bar. In the case of my mineral workbench here I can craft 5 at once, which is 25 shards and 25 coal. You can get melted iron shards by using the process of heating on iron ore. And you can get coal, basically a quick way to show you where you can get coal. You can get coal here by having your workers work in Kepplin Quarry here, just north of Kepplin. I also have another video showing you how to get coal on my channel, so you can check that out if you need more information. So once you have that set up with your mineral workbench, you can start making some steel like I'm making here currently. And finally you will need a tool workshop. Now if you're not sure where you can find these different buildings in the city, you can use this drop down box at the top right here, the middle one, and you can set it to all the different workshops that you want. So for example, if I wanted a tool workshop, I would select tool workshop and it would show me all the different tool workshops in the city. So I take that away. I have my tool workshop right here, and I have my tool workshop upgraded to level 3. Not all of them can do that, only some buildings can upgrade to level 2 or 3. It'll show you whenever you're purchasing the building. And once you have your workers here, you can just click on manage crafting. Now in this case I'm going to make a level 2 tools. Now level 2 have a durability of 130. If you need more information you can control click on the thing up here and it shows you a bit more information. It shows you the materials. It shows you down here as well, but with this window it allows you to see it easier. So once you pick a tool you want, as you can see here, if I want to craft a axe, here's an axe. It requires 1 maple timber, which you can get from chopping down maple trees. It's not a guaranteed drop, but it's pretty common. You need some steel, which I just showed you how to make. You need 3 of those, and you need 3 blackstone powder, which you get from your refinery. Now there is level 3 tools, but they require a bit more in materials. They require these pure iron crystals, which are pretty difficult to get early on. You need some alchemy work for that, which I'll make a video on later on. But for level 2 it's a good start for a low level or someone who's just getting started in the game, because the materials are really easy. As I've just shown you, everything is pretty common to get. So once you pick the tool you want, in this case I'm going to make a lumbering axe. You just click on your worker you want to craft it. It'll show you here how long it'll take. In this case it's just over 40 minutes, and then you just click start work. And the materials are taken from your storage, so you need to make sure that all of the materials needed to craft it are in your bank. Now in my bank here, up in my warehouse, you can see here I already have a lucky steel hoe, which I crafted earlier. And once you craft steel and blackstone powder from your refinery and your mineral workbench, it will automatically go into your storage. So always make sure you have a couple of storage spots free for those things to go into your storage. Same thing, whenever you're crafting a tool, the materials are taken from your storage, and once the craft is complete, the tool will be put into your storage for you to collect at a later time. And that's as simple as that, really. Level 2 tools are pretty simple, so I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching, and leave any questions in the comments section if you have any. Thank you.